Look, what all has been given to us is 25 participants. In one race, only 5 can be there. So let's say in first race, A, B, C, D, E, F ran. Second race, these ran. Third race, these. Fourth race, these. And fifth race. निकालना क्या है अपने को? Fastest 3 horses, the 3 fastest horses. Now let's say कम से कम कितनी रेसेस लगेगी, so that we will be able to find the 3 fastest horses. Now let's say the results were first race A came first, B came second, C came third, D came fourth and E came fifth. Same way second race में F came first, G came second, going on, third race, fourth race and fifth race. Now 5 races are already over. Look, we know these horses cannot be in top 3 out of 25. Obviously ये इसके ही रेस में चौथा आया है, तो even if these 3 fastest, this will always be fourth one or something. So these people are already ruled out. These are ruled out because they cannot be in top 3. Now अब इनमें से कोई भी टॉप 3 हो सकता है. It can be A, B, C, it can be A, K, P, anything can be there. So how do we do is, we have a 6th race among the winner of these 5 races. First race का winner A, second का F, a 6th race among these winners of first 5 races. So we will have a race among A, F, K, P and U. Let's say ये एक रेस रखा है. Now the result can come anyhow it can come. A may come first or P or anything. Let's say the result was also in the same way. It can be anything may come, or even if anything can happen. Let's say the result came out, K came first, P came second, A came third, F came fourth. Anything may come. This was the result. So K becomes the winner of all the 5 races. So K is the fastest horse we have already got. Winner के रेस में winner K is always going to be the first one. अगर ऐसे result आया तो K is the fastest horse. Now problem is we don't know now, and what we know is these F and U, they came in this race 4th and 5th. ये G और H तो F के भी पीछे है, so they cannot be in top 3. Understand that 6th race was among the winner of these 5. F came 4th, F के पीछे G है और G के पीछे H है, तो ये rolled out हो गए. They cannot be in top 3. Same way U came 5th, तो U के पीछे वाला are all gone. They cannot be there. Now understand one thing. K is the fastest. Now but now we don't know L और P में कौन faster है, M और P में. So what will have a 7th race among L, M. Now we already know P is second, P is second, P के पीछे Q है और Q के पीछे R है. P is second in this race. P came second, P के पीछे Q, Q के पीछे R. So even if P comes second, Q can come third, but R cannot come in 3. तो R is ruled out. ये rule out हो गए. So now what we'll do is we will allow P, we will allow Q. Now listen. A in this race came third. A can be in top 3, but A के पीछे वाला B and C cannot be in top 3 because A itself came here third. वो third के आगे नहीं जा सकता है. But what all B and C are behind A, so they cannot be in top 3. So now we will have race among these 5 participants. We already know K is the fastest one. K तो already fastest है. इसके जो भी winner आएंगे will be second and third. Let's say result comes out like, what all we get? We know M will always be behind L. Let's say ऐसे result आ गया that L came, P came, M came, Q came and N. So the top 3 fastest participants will be what? In this case, anyhow we'll come to know that fastest is K, then L and then P. So anyhow, Listen, what we simply did was, these 5 participants, race 1, race 2, race 3, race 4, race 5. Now, let's say this was the position. Now, A was winner of first race, F was winner second, K was third, P was fourth. अब ये पांचों विनर का एक रेस लगा लिया, कुछ भी रिजल्ट आ सकता है, बट लेट्स से रिजल्ट में K came first, P came second, A came third. Now, what we know, F and U came fourth and fifth. तो F के पीछे के and U के पीछे के, they are all ruled out from top 3 position. K is already first, winner of all the 5 races का winner is the fastest horse. Now, K के पीछे वाले LM, they may be ahead of P or behind, we don't know, तो LM should get a chance. Now, it may happen first, second, third, it may, पता नहीं. P came second, तो P के पीछे का Q can come third, but R can never be third, वो तो third के पीछे ही आएगा, ruled out. Now A came third, तो A के पीछे के तो third के आगे जा नहीं सकते, तो we had a race among L, M, P, Q and A. K is always fastest one, so ये इसके जो next top 2 रहेंगे, those will be second and third, any result may come out. So maximum 7 races means minimum 7 races will need to get the final answer.